Scott and Charlotte, it was definitely an emotional day in court here today. Not only for that former Walmart worker, but also for police officers who testified that they honestly thought that day 2 years ago could have been their last on Earth. This is Scott Sargent walking out of the Luzerne County Courthouse after his attempted murder trial began this afternoon. The man from Shenandoah is holding court papers with a picture of the Pope on the front and a reference to a New Testament verse from the Bible. Do you think he's going to help you through the trial?
Absolutely. The truth shall prevail.
2 years ago to the day, prosecutors say Sargent began shooting at officers in the Wilkes-Barre Township Walmart parking lot. Zachary McNeil was an employee and witnessed it all.
I was trying to become a master mechanic, but since that point, I kind of abandoned the automotive field. I don't feel like I'll ever be in an environment that doesn't remind me of that.
Stacy Bouton's family say they too still feel the impact of that 2015 shooting to this day. She came into court with her son to support her husband, Wilkes-Barre Township police officer Brian Bouton. He testified that he knew officers' handguns were no match for Sargent's rifle, so Bouton got closer to Sargent as he was firing at police, giving cover to other officers. But then his car's windshield was shot.
And I had some of the other officers tell me what a hero he was for putting his life out there for them. And a few of them did say they didn't know if he was alive or dead.
Officer Bouton's car stopped, but he reacted immediately and was not injured. In court, he testified, "I ducked, and no sooner did I go towards the center of my vehicle when a bullet went through the windshield and through the headrest. If I was still sitting up, it would have been my right eye."
To think that he could actually do something like that, I couldn't even justify. So for me, as far as justice, would be him going to jail for life.
And hopefully due process happens and he pays consequences for his actions.
A number of other law enforcement officials testified today, including Wilkes-Barre City Police Officer Alan Gribble, who was able to end the incident by shooting Sargent in the abdomen. And defense indicated in opening statements that Sargent may take the stand in his own defense. The trial is scheduled to continue tomorrow morning. Carolyn, Blackburne, Newswatch 16, live in Wilkes-Barre.